kick.
Morning guys, I'm just preparing a Nilagang Oxtail and I'm just soaking it in strong acidic Kangen water so to sanitize the meat. I've drained the strong acidic water and now I've already soaked this one for about 5 minutes in the 9.5 pH Kangen water, so it's ready to get boiled and simmered for roughly 2 to 3 hours until the meat is tender. I'm using scallions or green onions and also some white onions, so it will be a nice soup. It's time now to lower the heat. As you can see, the vapor bulb is already clicking, so it's so easy. As you can see, the oxtail got all the ingredients: star anise, peppercorn, and now it's time to lower the heat. So to about 3, and then this will go on for about 2 to 3 hours, and by that time the meat will be tender.
5 hours later.
This oxtail is ready, and just to make sure, let's see, it's falling off the bone here, there. So that's the test when the meat is tender enough. We're here now at Berry Beach, and we're just starting our 1 hour walk. It's a nice day today. It's windy, but the weather's fine. It's about 24 Celsius. 15th day of my push-up challenge. So